So as you can see, I'm going to be talking about the Dr. Teal's Pure Epsom Salt Soaking Solution for the Relax and Relief. I actually have another Dr. Teal's Epsom Salt Solution. Actually is the pre-workout one where it has like a body running and it targets the areas that it may be sore, or what the pain can be drawn out of using that Dr. Teal's soaking solution. But I'm just gonna be talking about this one right here since, see, I've been using the heck out of it, and I actually bought another one, and look what it did. So I'm just gonna color it up to clean that up. But yeah, the first time that I've used Dr. Teal was I think it was like a foaming bubble bath soap type, and it was the same one, the Relax and Relief, the soaking solution that had Epsom salt in too. And that was the first time I used it, was the bubble bath one, not this one. I used this one after when I was active again and my foot started acting up and my body started getting sore again. So I use this stuff. But about the bubble bath one, it works as well too, especially if you're sore, and especially if you want something to like ease your mind, and kind of like you want to just have like a nice chill you time. Definitely use that. And you possibly, if you want to, you can mix this with it too. But yep, I've used this a lot of this. Like I said, as you can see, I actually bought another one and kind of doing some research to see what other kinds they had. And that's when I realized they had a pre-workout solution. And I was like, dang, I should have waited. But this stuff works too, though. I'm not downplaying this at all. This stuff does some wonders, because when I had my foot pain and I used this foot massager soaking type thing where you can massage your foot, Grandpa gave it to Mom. Mom let me borrow it, but I'm claiming I'm going to use it when I want. But I put some of this in there, and I used another type of pain relief. It was like a bubble bath type of soap as well. You can use it as a body wash, but I'll explain that in another video as well. But I poured some of this in there, and it drew the pain out of my foot instantly. Like the next day, that pain was completely gone. Like I've used other things as well, but it did not work as fast as this. Like my goodness, like my foot was in pain for about 5 days, and as soon as I used this, boom, my foot was back to its natural state. I was like, dang, literally. And my grandmother is a strong believer in using Epsom salt, like if you have something hurting on you, like a sore foot, if you have a sore body. And this definitely eased my mind and made me feel very relaxed when I use this stuff. When you have a nice bath, when you want to have you time, things like that. This is really good to use. And as you can see what it's for, and what it does, and what's in it. And of course, I'll go on the back so you can see. I actually tried this one and this way. I never tried that way, but I'm pretty sure this will work because these two work for me as well. But this and this, I tried this, so it did suck away all the sore muscles that I had within me. The only thing is for soaking for 20 minutes. Sometimes I tend to hop out in 15, or I gotta get out or something, or I got something to do with phone ring or something. But when I actually stayed for 20 minutes, it literally, my sore muscles was feeling back to life. And along with the foot, I guess it's like a foot spa or massage or whatever, I used that, and I also did this method as well, and it helped my foot tremendously. I remember when I did try this way, I accidentally poured more than what I was supposed to. And I was like, oh dang, like half of the bag was, but I ain't had to use it for a while because my body was not sore. products as well. Like I know they have one about lavender. They have one pertaining just to the foot. I think I saw one where it helps you with sleep too. But the only two that I really paid attention to and really try to go deeper with some research was this one and the pre-workout one. So I'll be doing a review on that as soon as I use it. But for right now, I've just been using this. I have another bag of it. I need to get that bubble bath one. I've got another bag of this, and it did last some good time. So yeah, if you're looking for a good Epsom salt, got sore pain, got some sore foot, sore muscles, did intense workout, intense dancing, you know, just this is some good stuff.